Trusts explained on an 8th grade level. I'm Zach Anderson of Valley Estate and Elder Law, and we're going to do it. We're going to explain trusts as if we were explaining it to an 8th grader who, for some reason, is interested in trusts, estates, and elder law and things like that. A trust is simply the following. It's an agreement between a trust maker, the person making the trust, and a trustee, the person managing the trust, to hold certain assets under certain rules for the benefit of one or more beneficiaries. That's all a trust is. It's an agreement or a contract between the person making the trust, the trustee, to hold certain assets for the benefit of certain people or entities under certain rules. Now, the variation is where the weeds really come into play here. The certain rules can be they get $1,000 a month, the beneficiary. It can be they get everything outright after I die, or before I die, or if I'm incapacitated, or tomorrow. It can be certain beneficiaries can only get something if someone before them dies. Trusts are extremely customizable. So this certain rule element is kind of where an estate planning attorney can help you draft a trust and execute a trust and administer a trust that works best for your benefit. Now, we can do a little bit better than just explaining what a trust is, although that's really it. Trusts can get you privacy upon death or during life or both. We can minimize taxes through trusts, sometimes not for everybody, but sometimes we can achieve that goal. Asset protection is a big one, protecting assets from the threat of lawsuits or perhaps long-term care costs, things like that. And a smoother administration. Trusts most of the time don't go through probate court, and we can avoid probate court delays and filing requirements, annual inventories, things like that. So we just get a smoother and more private administration. There are other benefits of a trust, but typically we're going to see these be kind of the main ones. And what just actually is a trust, just on a really basic level, these elements: an agreement between a trust maker and a trustee to hold certain assets or property for the benefit of certain beneficiaries or a beneficiary under certain rules. And now you know what a trust is on an 8th grade level.